Very happy to announce that Nasscom FutureSkills Prime under this, under Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. So we are collaborating with Andhra University to offer 50,000 internships. The target is affiliated colleges and generic students, whoever is interested. In particular, we would like to reach to the raw students. So we are very happy to announce this collaboration. So under this, Nasscom is offering 4 tracks. One is Google Cloud Generative AI. Another is AI Fundamentals and AI Ready by Accenture. The other one is Salesforce Developer and ServiceNow. So these are the 4 verticals under which 50,000 internships are offered. We have already circulated this announcement to our affiliated colleges. We are expecting the students would benefit a lot. So currently students may have internships, but on top of it, this is a great opportunity. And we are appealing to all the students to utilize this combined effort of Nasscom and Andhra University under MeitY. Thank you. Good luck.